watching Run Innovative Kids channel. So today I'm going to show you a street food recipe, that is Pav Bhaji. So let's get started. So first, to make the Pav Bhaji we need these colorful vegetables. So here I am having chopped potato, green beans, some beetroot, tomato, onion and peas. And that is the grated ginger garlic and some fresh coriander too. So now let's take a pressure cooker and add all the chopped veggies. Whatever veggies you are having, you can add that. The must veggies are potato and peas. This Pav Bhaji doesn't need artificial colors because we are going to add beetroot. In beetroot, we can get the red color and it is very healthy too. So with this, let's add some water. Here I am taking 2 glasses of water. Along with it, I'm going to add some salt and then a pinch of turmeric. And let's add half spoon of chili powder, half spoon of roasted cumin powder, 1 spoon of garam masala and 2 tablespoons of Pav Bhaji masala. Let's mix up everything together. The vegetables and the color are so colorful, yeah? Let's close the cooker and cook for 5 whistles. In the meantime, let's take another pan and add some oil. In street food, they will only add butter and dalda. If you want to add that, you can add, but here I'm just having butter and ghee. Sorry, it is oil and ghee. So once the oil has heated, let's add 1 spoon of garam masala. Once it is roasted, let's add some ginger garlic. It gives a nice aroma. To this, let's add some chopped onions. Give it a quick mix. To this, let's add 1 pinch of salt that it will roast well. How many of you like Pav Bhaji? Comment below. My favorite street food is Pav Bhaji. So to this, let's add some 2 spoons of Pav Bhaji masala and some chopped tomatoes. Give everything a quick mix. Let the tomato and the onions mash together. Let's close it and cook it for a few minutes. So in the meantime, in our pressure cooker, vegetables are ready. See how nicely it has cooked. Let's mash it with a masher or a blender. Once you mash well, let's pour into a pan. See, the onion and tomato had roasted very well. So now let's add the mashed veggies. Let's give it a quick mix. See how beautiful the color is. We didn't even add the artificial colors. This color is given by the yummy and delicious healthy beetroot. But in the street food, they put artificial colors. It is not good for you. Always homemade food is good for your health. So let's garnish it with the coriander leaves and some onion. If you want a tangy flavor, you can just add some lemon too. But I'm going to just add the lemon while I'm eating. Then only if I eat, it will give a fresh limey flavor. So now let's take a pav and cut like this and put it in a pan with some butter and roast well on the both sides. If you don't have pav, you can add the simple ordinary bread. So toast well both the sides like this. And yes, Our Pav Bhaji is ready. So now let's serve it. Wow, what bright and beautiful color. You can serve it with some lots of butter. I love buttery pav very much. And let's garnish it with some onion and coriander. And the another side, let's put the roasted pav with some lots of butter. See how nicely the butter is melting. Let's squeeze some lemon and enjoy. Now our yummy and delicious buttery pav is ready. Squeeze some lime. Mix the bhaji with some butter. Mix it well. Now take a piece of pav and dip it in the bhaji and eat it. Yummy and delicious Pav Bhaji is ready. என்னோட favorite recipe இதுதான். என்னோட Pav Bhaji தான். இந்த ஆனியன் இதில் போட்டுட்டு லெமனை ஸ்குவீஸ் பண்ணி பாவால் எடுத்து அதில் தொட்டு It's so yummy and delicious. We didn't add the food color, but see the bright red color. It's because of the natural beetroot color. It is very healthy, fully loaded with purely vegetables. So that's it, today's video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you. Bye bye. I love Pav Bhaji very much. How many of you like Pav Bhaji? Comment below. That's it, today's video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you. Bye bye.